Hey guys, this is Don Cottom with 323 Link and Cloudroom AV. Today, this video is really geared for educators. And so I'm going to show you a new platform you've got to check out if you're in education called FrameVR. And with all of our one-touch rooms, which are our audio-visual rooms built on Windows computers, which makes it 30% less costly, it works all the time, it's just a better way to do it. You don't need specialists to work on these rooms. We add one of these Frame VR environments with each one of our rooms. So not only do you have a video place to meet, but you also have a virtual location to meet with anybody in the outside world who has a browser. So that could be from their cell phone, a tablet, a laptop, a VR headset. It gives you a full three-dimensional meeting space, and it gives you a flat meeting space, just like Teams, Google, Meets, Zoom. And so this can replace those platforms, but get you such a depth on campus where you can build a virtual campus online that people can come to. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm using a one-touch system, classroom system, to capture this. What you see to my right is our one-touch interface. I've programmed one of these buttons to go and launch to the virtual campus. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that button, and what you see below me is actually a 49-inch Samsung display. And this Samsung display, I'm giving you the wide aspect ratio so you can kind of see what this really does. First thing I'm going to do is make sure that I'm using the correct camera, which it looks like it is grabbing the wrong camera, and you can see I have a lot of cameras hooked up to this actual equipment. Once I've gotten that, I've got my name confirmed. I'm going to jump on this campus, and here I am. This is a virtual campus. I can walk around here. I have an AI assistant. I can go, let's say I have to attend a class here, or maybe it's a cross campus. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and walk into this building. I'm going to go into my actual classroom here, and I can take a seat. I can activate my web camera. Once I sit down, I can experience this like a normal classroom. The audio dynamics here are the same as being in a real space. If I raise my voice and talk to the teacher at the front, they can hear me. But if I'm far away from people, they won't be able to hear me. If I'm whispering to somebody next to me, they won't hear it at the front of the room necessarily. So it gives you a true dynamic of audio. But here's where I really want to go with this. This also can replace those traditional video platforms, because now we have flat mode, which means you can join, go to your virtual class, and then just get in a regular video conference. But if the users want to be in that virtual world, they can. And then they can go to whatever other rooms on campus. This gives you a virtual representation online of your entire facility. We map a button in the one-touch interface to a room. As you see, I've got Frame ASU. That's what took me to this page. You hit the button in the classroom, you're in your virtual room, and the other students can attend remotely. Well, that's a real quick rundown of Frame VR. This is going to be, I think, a huge thing for most campuses. And this augments and brings in the virtual reality or VR glasses. And as those glasses are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, this is going to be a true way to get into your classes and things and really start to drive a sense of community on a campus where you can have that social aspect start to come back from the times of what we've just gone through with COVID. All right, go check us out at 323link.com, at Cloudroom AV. And we'd love to set up a Frame account for you and get you guys going. We can get you started with a free account first and then get you into what you need exactly for your particular campus. Thanks.